Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.